Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss why you can't sign into Gmail. So when you open this page, Google account recovery, and you have some problems with signing into your email address, so you can basically forget the password or your email address. So you can click this button, try another way, and here are the other ways. So you can enter your password, use your passkey, or try another way, and in that another way you will have recovery email or a backup codes or recovery phone number, if of course this is available for your email account. Also, the main reason why you can sign into your email address, maybe because your account was hacked. So when Google suspects suspicious activity, Google may lock your account, and to fix this you need to go to Google Help website. Google Help, and also you can type suspended account, restore a suspended Gmail account, and here you can read all the information if your account was hacked. Also, reason why you can sign into your Gmail, maybe because of some problems with browser or application. So I mean by that that you need to clear your browser cache. Also, you can try signing in using a different browser. For example, if you have a laptop, you can try using your Gmail on your desktop version, or if you don't have laptop, you can update the Gmail application in your Play Store or App Store. And the last but not least reason why you can sign into your Gmail account, maybe because of no internet connection. So you can try another Wi-Fi connection, or you can check if your Wi-Fi connection is working properly, or you can switch to mobile data. And make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. So this is control center, and you see that this plane is not enabled. So when it's enabled, it will be like this, that no internet connection is working, so Wi-Fi is off. So you just need to make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. So I think that was the main reasons why you can sign into your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, then please leave a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.